the Barclays app. How to make an international payment. To make an international payment, log in and tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom of your screen. Next, select Send Money Abroad. Here, you can either scroll through the A to Z list of countries, or you can use the new Search functionality. Once you've selected the country, you can view the conversion rate and additional details about the charges here.
Click on this icon if you want to view rates and charges.
You can also choose which account you want to make the payment from here. Choose the account you want to make the payment from and enter the amount you want to send in pounds. If you're happy with all the information, select Next to proceed. If there are no payees saved in your account, this screen will pop up, prompting you to pay someone new. If you already have payees saved in your account, they will appear here. Here you can select Previously Saved Payees or tap Pay Someone New. Choose the reason for making this payment. This will help to protect you from fraudsters. A pop-up warning will appear. Make sure you've read the information about fraud and scams and have taken steps to protect yourself. Tick the box to confirm you've done this and select Continue with this payment. Now enter the recipient's details, including their full name and their bank details. If you've selected SwiftBIC, enter their SWIFT code. The app will now load up the bank details. Once the app has confirmed the code number, a blue tick will appear, and the details of the bank will appear here. Enter the recipient's account number and tap Next. Here you will see the breakdown of the charges. Some countries allow the bank receiving the payment to charge a fee.
For international payments, customers can choose if they or the recipient pay the bank fees.
If you want to pay charges from another account, tap the toggle here to switch this on. Tap here to select an account. Select the account you wish to pay the charges from. Then tap Select to confirm. Enter the reference number that will appear on your bank statement. Then enter the recipient's reference number, which will appear on their bank statement. Tap Review Payment. Review the payment details and make sure you have your card to verify your identity. If all the details are correct, tap Authorize Payment.
Enter your card details to authorize this payment. And when you're done, tap Get Your Final Rate.
A confirmation screen will appear where you can review your payment. You can check the rate of the payment, which is guaranteed for 90 seconds. The countdown for the guaranteed rate will then turn red if there is 10 seconds left to go. You will be given a new rate if this time runs out. If you are happy with the details, tap Confirm Payment. And there you go, your international payment is now set up.